Aye, my baba jarakula embacha danuna shiti. Please subscribe to my channel and thank you for those who subscribe. Nangwe viewer kumga subscribe. I really appreciate your support. I might feel it's not enough, but I really do appreciate it. I'm comment for this. Kuna this other guy anga comment ka channel yam ka video learning I endla ya Benny Mayengani na Hlavu the group being unstoppable. It's more like a review to the album ya Benny Mayengani Malambani. Vitoraye is seed nina ninyambi. Mizalwa evule marito mangwani ya nkoka ngofu. Antansakela ku mwana afik I wanna that comment ku you contain in. Mara to keep it short, you will go mele chimsinika kuninika opinions same kat artist kuditerenjani. Sam namunhla ninge yimina wena namunhla ndayimana lwe minzuku ni yimana lwe ninga yimana lwe and lwe ninga tayimana ye ita nivula ku you are doing well what and everything. So I'm entitled to my own opinions. I really like that was a comment from an intelligent person, and I wish everyone could see it that way. Nangwe mingo opinion mingo album ya Benny Mayengani ayibi. I'm all obviously moon. It's your opinion. You're entitled to your own opinion. Okay. Number one, I try magago did Benny Mayengani, but my Prince Rhangani betray Prince Rhangani as angasfula ka bifile ya malambani. Nah. So my take on this is that if Prince Rhangani akana isu endlin so a producela Gimbet as said in that song, Prince Rhangani, one thing we have to know, Prince Rhangani is a producer. And Prince Rhangani must work on his own terms. This absolutely a good research song. If Prince Rhangani avona shile xingata n'wi vekela mali etafuleni u ta xi tirhisa. For an example, Benny Mayengani ku wa chaka Prince Rhangani a hakela because a n'wi producela na yena Prince Rhangani a nga hakeli nchumu ku va Benny Mayengani a n'wi endla vocals as they say. Man twisisa. So hi ku twisisa ka me Benny Mayengani cannot be a cry baby auri uniyevula ku producela munhu un'wanyana because I favorite ya wena. Though even though Prince Rhangani was not supposed to lie, was not supposed to hide it, not to lie. Anga fanelanga za switumbeta ku producela munhu ukari a fanele ku me producela munhu so nyika mali. Simple. So hi ku twisisa ka me swa ku uniyevula Brahmi mara tlava matikisiwini mara uniyevula Brahmi uniyevula nkarhi ni mfeku I ri ni mfeku loko ni endla yini. Yeah, something like that. Like mara ku ya me ang betrayang. He's just doing his job to get money. He's in business. And your objective when you're in business to make profit. That's it. What's happening with Mr. Post? Mr. Post released another clip not so long time ago. If you can listen to that thing is a clip, it's a hit. Like it's a hit. Yeah, you can tell it's coming with some fire. And I wish everyone could give this guy a chance. But how do you give someone a chance who goes in public and swear at people? Like, this guy just won Munganalonene FM awards. And in winning those awards, it means he's being recognized for good work. And then you go on a stage. One thing that Mr. Post knows, he has got the mic. The mic has more voice than all those grouped people. They can make noise or whatever they want. Just perform. Fakangoma, it will overpower all those people. But when you just decide to get so emotional, I'm very emotional myself. But I don't just become emotional anywhere. When I'm in front of people, I keep quiet. I rather keep quiet not to say anything. Or just go away and cry in my room. So Mr. Poe was not supposed to swear at people. Mr. Poe is one of the biggest artists that we know. So Mr. Post is not supposed to do that like at all. And what degenerate? But the first letter for Sugena Doga Tim Sherman. Tidang Baleke Logasnakurukatel. Benny Mayengani lost a lot of followers because of Vanava Lui. He mustn't do that. It's wrong. There are people who look up to that guy. He's like Mr. Post work. That guy gives himself some time and he works hard on whatever he does. So his work is appreciated. Man, when you come out and swear at us, what are you trying to achieve? Yes, was angry because people were saying Benny. Look at Ronaldo, Cristiano Ronaldo. When they say Messi, he gets motivation. Look at a post. When they say Benny, you have got the mic. There are people who pay to come and watch you, and then if you go over like that. Like there are specific who just came for you post, and then you just go there and swear at them like that. It's uncalled for. You shouldn't do that. And I hope even his followers must come to a party. This is not the right thing to do. Here's the thing. Mr. Post when a beef and he goes personal. That's his style. And whether you like it or not, he will do it. That's how he works. And that's why, like, when look, what if I Benny Mayengani after coming criticize that post she beef sex with Benny Mayengani. Mook I finish beef and personal fan sick. Why now? Because beef I finally give in favor of you. Look, what's a beef you could have a sort of a show. Defend the show beef that I run that I keep. That's a fact. That's how it is. But says so it lives at this point in time, and it's not actually like go post must release music. Alwi music. Kimbeta ilakulwa na President Mayengani. Kimbeta. When I music, that will listen and we'll take it from there. We might not compare who's the best, but we'll give if his project is good. But we must also take into consideration that he already released the project and he has to release 2 projects, and you're going to compare him with someone who only released 1 project. Yeah, it's a totally different thing. And they just wait for his album, and Papa King Juan the King Juan release album the 5th of December. The Mafanya brothers sorry I will go and watch and buy it because you should be that like figure. So just go and buy the CD. Yeah, got the relevant people. You can just comment to his channel, said so, and then you get all the details. And subscribe. Don't be emotional. Just use your rationality and think like that. So like this thing taking video show minimum man just yo hallelujah nimeranza ngo vanhu va xikwembu khensa na support ya n'wele mi ni komba ku yoho mani vona mi ni bamboma like that. Don't forget to subscribe, by the way, and tell your girlfriend and your side chick to subscribe, because man ni maya baba jaro kula imbacha danona ashiti yeah king